Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PS4 controller, Pro Guide step by step clearly. To set up your PS4 controller, first, ensure your console is powered on. Next, grab your PS4 controller and locate the PlayStation button in the center. Press and hold the PlayStation button until the light bar on the controller turns blue. This indicates that the controller is entering pairing mode. Now, check your PS4 console for the Bluetooth pairing option. On the home screen, navigate to Settings. Select Devices from the menu. Then, choose Bluetooth devices. You should see your controller listed as Wireless Controller. Select it to establish a connection. Once connected, the light bar will change to a solid color. This confirms that your controller is paired with the console. For wired setup, plug one end of a USB cable into the controller. Connect the other end to your PS4 USB port. The controller will automatically be recognized by the system. You can now start playing your favorite games using the controller. If you plan to use the controller on a PC, the process is similar. Head to the Bluetooth settings on your PC. Put your controller in pairing mode by holding the PlayStation and share buttons simultaneously. Wait for the light bar to flash, indicating it's ready to connect. On your PC, select Add Bluetooth or other device, then choose Bluetooth. When Wireless Controller appears, select it to complete the pairing process. Your PS4 controller is now ready for use on your PC as well. Remember to charge the controller regularly using a USB cable to ensure uninterrupted gameplay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.